Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Ali Raza from Maryland High School, and today we are going to solve the first two numericals of chapter number 10. Student, in our previous lecture, simple harmonic motion, we studied about some examples of simple harmonic motion, and whenever we discuss about the motion of a simple pendulum, we find the time period of a simple pendulum. We study about one formula that was T is equal to pi L over G. That was a formula for this simple pendulum to find the time period of a simple pendulum. Now, through this formula, we are going to solve the first two numericals of chapter number 10. So, the student, before starting to write the solving the numerical, we should have to study the given statement very carefully. So, first of all, we are going to solve here the numerical number 10.1. So that the time period of a simple pendulum is 2 seconds. Here time period is 2 seconds. What will be its length on the earth and what will be its length on the moon? It's mean here we have to find two length. One length is on the earth and second length is on the moon. Now another thing, value of G on the surface of earth is 10 meter per second square and the value of G on the surface of moon is G over 6. So first of all we write to here the given data. So student, here we have time period that given us is 2 seconds. We have to find it here length on the earth and second is here length on the moon. The another thing he given us, that is value of G is 10 meter per second square and value of G on the surface of moon is we have GE over 6. So GE is already is given here, that will be 10 divided 6. So we get GM, we get 1.66 meter per second square. So what we have to given, value of G on the surface of moon, value of G on the surface of earth, time period is also given, but we have to find it here length on the earth and the length on the moon. So as I say earlier, we apply the formula, that is whenever we find the time period of a simple pendulum. Now we are going to solve it here and apply the formula, that was T is equal to pi L over G. So student, first of all we find the length on the earth. So whenever we find the length on the earth, we put the value of G on the earth. So what we have to find? We have to find the length on the earth, but it is under the square root. First of all, we are taking the square on the both sides to cancel the square root. Taking square on both sides, cancel out, that we get T square is equal 4 pi square LE over GE. So what we have to find? We have to find it here length on the earth. So first of all we arrange the formula here, G here divided, it will be multiply on the other side. And 4 pi square here multiply, it will be divided on the other side. So we will get 4 pi square is equal length on the earth. So we arrange the formula. Now we have to here putting the values in this formula. So length on, now student, putting the values, T square T is equal here we have 2 and second is value of G on the earth and that is 10. Now next thing here is 4 and pi square. You know that value of pi is 3.14 and it's a square. So 2 square is 4, 10, 4 and the square of 3.14 is 9.8596. So cancel out these two. Now we will get 10 over 9.8596. So we will get 1.02 after dividing these two, and the SI unit of the length is the meter. So that is the length on the moon, length on the earth. Now second thing we have to find it here, and that is the length on the moon. So again apply the same formula that was is a T is equal 2 pi L over G. Now what we have to find it here, we have to find length on the moon. So whenever we will find the length on the moon, put the m is here and also apply the value of G on the surface of moon. Again taking the square on the both side, we will get T square is equal 4 pi square. These two cancel out. We will get Lm over Gm. We have to find Lm. Arrange the formula. We will get just like Gm here divided, it will be multiply on the other side, and 4 pi square here multiply, it will be divided on the other side. So simple, we have to put the value again here. 2 square Gm value is 1.66 over 4 3.1 square. So student, after 1.66 divided by 4, 9.8596. So whenever we solve all of these, we will get 4 cancel, that will be remain 1.66 over 9.8596. So we will get 0.17 after divided these two, and meter is the SI unit of the length. So that is the length on the moon. We have to find it here. Two things, that first was length on the earth. Here we find the length on the earth, and second is the length on the moon. So here we find the length on the moon. So this was the first numerical of chapter number 1. Now the student, we are going to solve the numerical number 10.2. Similar, just like we solve the numerical number 10.1, first of all we have to read the given statement very carefully, and that is a pendulum of length 0.99 meter is taken to the moon by an astronaut. The period of the pendulum is 4.9 seconds. What is the value of G on the surface of the moon? So it's mean we have to given it here one length, and that length is a Lm, and that is 0.99 meter. Second thing he given us here, and that is time period, and time period here given is 4.9 seconds. That is here we read given data. So we have to find it here value of G on the surface of moon. So the student, just like the first numerical, here we also applied the same formula that we apply in the first numerical, and that was T is equal 2 pi L over G. So we have what we have to find? We have to find value of G on the surface of moon. So place the m here, and given length on the moon, so that is why the m is also here. So what we have to find? We have to find the value of G on the surface of moon. So first of all, we are taking the square on the both sides. Taking square on both sides, we will get T square is equal 4 pi square Lm over Gm. So student, what we have to find here? We have to find Gm. So first of all, we arrange the formula. Gm here divided, it will be multiplied on the other side. So that will become 4 pi square Lm over Gm. sorry. So what we have to find? We have to find gm. T square hit multiply, it will divide it on the other side. So this formula becomes 4 pi square Lm over gm. Sorry, T square. Now putting the values in this formula, we will get the value of g on the surface of moon. So first of all, putting the values here, just like gm here, 4 as it is, 4 is a constant here, value of pi is 3.14 square, and value of length on the moon is 0.99, and t is here we have 4.9, so t is square, so we are taking the square is here also. So 4, 9.8596, taking the square of 3.14 and 0.99, 4.9 square will be 24.01. So solve all of these, we will get 1.63, and we have find it here value of g on the surface of moon. So the SI unit of the value of g is meter per second square. So that is here the numerical number 10.2. Hope so student you understand that. Thank you.